Hello, Cheap Dave here. Please like, subscribe, press the bell button. This is going to be Beach 2, the second part of the beach, and we'll be taking a stroll down towards Las Americas and see what's here. So here we got just like a nice park area, big hotels up like that there. But this little walkway along the front, well, it goes from Las Cristianas all the way along to Las Americas and then Costa Rica. But you can more or less walk all the way along the front here. Probably from Las Americas to Las Cristianas is about, I'd say about 3/4 of a mile. Takes you about, well, depends on how fast you're walking, but you can do a nice stroll in half an hour. It's just a nice walk. Remember this place? Last time I came here, it was all dug up and they were doing lots of work on it. So 3 months later, it's all terracing done, and they put loads of sand down as well. So somewhere nice to sit and have a beer and sunbathe. Waves are picking up, so the surfers will be on their way soon, having a good go. Lovely wide open space here, loads of palm trees, massive hotel there. We'll have a look at that when we get there. Okay, so you've got the mountains up there, a few clouds over them. TD, the volcano's over that direction somewhere. Used to get snow on it around Christmas time, around January. You've got Costa Rica over there, and then you've got people surfing here. Can't see anyone actually having to go yet, but they're all making their way out. The man selling his artwork here. €15 a piece. Yeah, we're doing a bit of exercise over there. After my 2-mile swim, I'll do 50 pull-ups just to get some strength in the old arms. And obviously I'm going to be walking at least 5 miles today, so. Okay, so that place I just showed you, this is a shopping centre, that's Koala Bay. Does beachwear, sunglasses, that type of stuff, shoes. Jerry Weber. There, that's a clothing shop. Yeah, it's a metropolis centre. Okay, so you've got another place. They do Ray-Ban glasses, handbags, stuff like that. Hennessy. Okay, you got a small shop that does drinks, crisps, sandwiches, I think, stuff like that. And then you got the Metropolis that does a nice little restaurant overlooking the beach again. So you can sit and watch the surfing.
That's because she's been saying that, like, every time I ring.
Right, so if I'd took a right at the island when I first started the walk, this is where I'd have come down. Cracking view of the mountain. So you've got an area here where nearly all of them are camper vans, and I think these are all mostly the surfers that come and park up here, because they've all got surfboards. That's a bit of a clue, isn't it? Okay, so we've got a bit of gauze and whatever on the beach. More surfboards. Lovely to be able to drive down to the beach and have a surf, but I dipped my toes in earlier and it was bloody freezing. So I don't think surfing's any good for me at the moment at my age. Walking's enough and that's downhill. I've still got to walk back up the hill. Okay, you got the Guardia Civil booking a few vehicles for illegally parking. And wherever you go, you'll always find a McDonald's wherever you go. Down here we're coming to a load more surfers. I think over this week they've been having surfing competitions. There's been boats out there looking after them, and a hell of a lot more surfers than are usually here. So that's what I put it down to, a bit of a competition going on. Here you got excursions. You go to the dolphins or go on a yacht, surf lessons, jet ski, or you can have a Mustang or a fast car, and also they do helicopter rides. You've got the Aroma restaurant, again doing beers and food and ice creams. Quite a big terrace there, a lot of people out, so it's all good. Oh, we've got a fish restaurant here. Prawns for John. That looks a nice restaurant. But they all look nice really, it all looks lovely around here. Just got to hope this COVID don't take off again, because people are missing out on this. They're not coming because of it. Here's all the surfers. I think we'll go down there and have a look. There's a chap giving surfing lessons. So we're all making our way out now. And do a bit of surfing.
Ale jakby mam wrażenie, że powinienem być dalej, bo
I think these all might be surfing school as well. Yeah, so if you look up there, you'll see that's where all the judges are for the surfing.
Blanco, tus dos mejores olas, 5.33 y 1.67.
There's some chap down there videoing the surfers. Oh, that's not so bad.
Bueno, atención y seguimos porque solo quedan 5 minutos. Y recuerda pasarte por el stand del Lightning Ball para entrar en el sorteo de la Pepe Liner que están haciendo en vivo los Shapers. Y también te recordamos que a las 3 de la tarde, hoy presentación de las ecotablas del Lightning Ball. A partir de las 6, música en el Espacio Corona. A las 16:50, check-in para Euromaster más 50 para celebrar las semifinales que tenemos pensado comenzar a las 5 de la tarde.
There you go, I haven't had much wildlife, so that's what you got from me. Seen hardly anything this time I've been here. Last time I had all sorts.
Blanco, eres primero, amarillo necesitas 3.68 para primero, rojo eres tercero y necesitas 2.61.
You can got a VIP area up there. Right, we're down the front as far as the Crazy Golf down there. You go just past the Crazy Golf, and there's a couple of tennis courts. Okay, so we got Moss Fashion doing sunglasses, shirts, shoes. El Paradise doing clothes, ladies' clothes. And you've got the Koala Bay, lots of flip-flops. Thank you. Koala Bay. Ma Bahia, they do shoes as well. And another restaurant, obviously you got the seats all along here as well. All looks very nice. That's followed by Perfume Palace. You got massage centre. All sorts of massage, and they also do nails. A perfume shop that's closed, so they've taken the cafe's taken over it.
Like on the balcony, like you know, like little one.
Restaurant Peso. This is where me and John ate the other day. Very nice food. You got Tony Roma's Steakhouse over there. There's some ladies doing hair braiding.
Facciamo 30 questa sera, sì. 30 questa sera.
30 con estensione muy poco. 40.
A couple of the lucky men selling handbags and glasses and stuff. So we're just coming up to the bars now that are directly behind the Veronica Strip. Sports bar over there. This restaurant does a lot of smoothies, ice creams and meals. Steak restaurant. Also do crepes. This restaurant, matey. Flavour bar. Closed at the moment. Obviously be open later, I'd imagine. And you got buckets and spades and t-shirts and hats and all sorts of bits and bobs. It's okay.
Hello, saludando la muchacha.
Oh yes.
Which parlor?
Samsung. So very busy, good to see. It's the Cocoa Beach Bar. And we've got another Yugo bus that's doing the glasses and all the shirts and stuff. And this is restaurant Mully. I've had breakfast here before, really nice. And that's it, we're down almost to the end of the strip. And you've got the beach over there. And that takes you down to Costa Rica, which I'll be walking that one tomorrow. So I've just come back up off the beach. There we go, another McDonald's. You've got a Foot Locker over there. And you've got Maya department store over this side. Because we're on the main, this is the Veronica Strip now. You've got some Salon de Juice. Dragos. I bet you love my Spanish pronunciation. You've got a Subway here. Got a KFC. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You got Joyce Club. Used to come here with my lad when he worked down here. Play pool in there. This don't kick off till about 12 at night, and then it goes through till about 4. There's Envy, which is where my son first worked when he was over here. He's got a nice steady job now, so he's all right. Don't have to stay up till 4 in the morning. Only 2, I think. Okay, you got a little shop there. Here we got Oasis. Tattoo. I think you got the upstairs here where you can go and get your spliffs and whatever. Place that does doner kebabs. Blackdrop street food. More doner kebabs. Oh yeah, I'm alright, thank you very much. Here you got Yordi's sports bar. And up there you got Ocean Sports Bar and Club and whatever. Okay, we got a little supermarket. And you got the Sugar Reef here. But these all they're all kicking like mad at night. Got jumping jacks. Then we got Revolution right at the end. Oh no, there's another one. No, there's not. Actually a lot. So that's all the bars along the Veronica Strip. So I'm gonna go and find myself a pint at the Travs, I think. So that should be nice. There's a chap being arrested. Don't know what he's got up to. So I'm going to take a little stroll along here up to the Travs and have a beer. Right, so I'm down as far as the La Carina pizza place, and then you got they also do the La Carina steak as well. There's the prices, some of the things. You got El Americano Steakhouse, Tex-Mex and pasta and pizza. And just over there, just over the road, we got Leonardo's Sports and Entertainment. They usually have music on at night. Closed in the day. Are they closed? No, they're open, but they just look closed. So you got Leonardo's, and then the one next door to it, you got the Travs, which is where I'm going to sit down and have a nice quiet pint. Traveller's Rest. There we are. That's it, we made the Travs. So I'm just going to find a seat in the sunshine. I'm sorted. A nice cold beer in the Travs. In the daytime it's $1.50 a pint. And after that walk I felt like I needed it. So really nice. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, press the bell button, and that'll help the channel grow. Thanks. Okay, so walking back up from the beach, from the Travs, had a few beers in there, so I'm going to have another one opposite the apartment. I'm up by John's apartment where I'm staying, where these few bars are. That's the top bar over there. Woo! Hola!
Greetings from Tenerife.
Okay, we're going to stop at the Bistro Lounge and I'll have a beer here, and that'll be enough for me for this afternoon. You have to say hello.
Hello, how are you? Hi.
This lady remembered me from last time.
I did.
There you are, thank you.